intersections with ramps. Those are so finicky to get right. And this is part of the earliest road that I did, that I expanded from 2 to 3, since I had to have more than one direction of travel at the same time and multiple trucks on it. Still didn't work out too badly. Yeah, I really can't wait until I decide on a design for those rail supports. There's some simple steel stuff going on over here. And I'll show that storage and sorting facility probably in the next one. Just a simple road. I'd like to add sidewalks the whole length, but that takes time. That's the old husk of my first storage facility. I condensed it and made it a lot more efficient just over here, which I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Still have to do a bit of decoration on the supports, I think. And there's hogs underneath the floor, but they can live down there. It's fine. I'll do an internal tour in a bit. But the only thing coming through here now is just quick wire, just so I can have a bit of iodine infused filters coming through. And I did put some Fixma stuff on top of it, but that's all kind of temporary. So the theory is, these truck stations take stuff in, these truck stations take stuff out, if I want to. I haven't hooked it up because I have no need for it. But they're there, and they do get fed with fuel from a little loop I got going on. So, this is supposed to be industrial use only. Up here is where pedestrians come in. Either they drive up the ramps, or they come from the train. You can get out of the train, you go down in here, and you go on about your business. Got a sink handling the overflow that's coming from basic production. Thing up to about tier 3 or so, I think. You got stuff you don't want, just throw it in here, it'll get sorted. This will be the overflow, where I have some things just tested. This is where all the magic happens. Got a couple containers. Each of the truck stations feed the containers. It's split and smart split so that the fuel gets provided to all the stations, and all the other items get fed up to the input belt bus. Right now I've got some aluminum coming out of this station and coming up and getting, or making its way along the conveyor belts. Now some coppers and steels are coming through. And you can come in here and pick up whatever you want if you just want a cool little shopping experience, but my main way of doing things is hovering, because you get a much longer reach to actually open a container. And I know that they're in alphabetical order, so I can see what's in each of these, and just go up to the one I want. And yeah, that's how it works. Big old present under my tree.